Yo, SRT Nutso checking in, back with another video. So this morning, I'm gonna just give y'all a cold start so y'all can hear how she sound. Let's go.